Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. It is the mango season, so today's recipe is going to be an instant mango sauce. You could use it like a chutney as well. You could also use it with your desserts. This can be made within 5 minutes. So let's get started. I've taken about 2 medium ripe mangoes. Mango which is not very sweet would be great for this. We need to make a puree first. We'd also require some sugar, some salt, and a teaspoon of corn flour. So let's make the puree first. The puree is ready. Let's start making the sauce. To a pan, we'll add some sugar and a little bit of water to help it to melt. Once the sugar melts, we'll add in the mango puree and some salt. We'll add in a little water. Once the mango comes to the boil, we'll add in some water to the corn flour. We'll allow it to come to a boil. The mango sauce is ready. We can cool it and use it. This mango sauce will last in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. If you want it to last longer, you would have to add some preservative. But this is without preservative.